Laureate Global is a management consulting company which helps individuals and organizations transform through innovation, experimentation, and self-realization. We believe that success has no heights and creativity is limitless. It is with this notion we commit ourselves to the requirements of our clients in enabling them and their organization to thrive to greater heights, boasting of 100% accuracy and focus. We at Laureate Global believe in ensuring quality coupled with speed and creativity to achieve what we are set to accomplish. We strive to deliver excellence in our clients in three ways: through our research and data-based delivery, integrating people and processes, and return on investment.
Best upcoming corporate training services provider in Bangalore goes to Laureate Learning Crafts Private Limited.
Our excellence was recognized when Laureate Global was honored for its impeccable service delivery quality.
The words which symbolize our own organization is the message which we would want to convey to rest of the world too. The world is moving at a very fast pace, so speed is the core determinant of whether you will be successful or not. You need to have a first mover advantage in whatever you do. When you have a first mover advantage, make sure you have quality at the back of it, because everybody is providing a great quality. What is your differentiator? And that's where the third element comes in of innovation and creativity. So be the first to hit the market, hit it with high quality, and go to the area, go to those roads where nobody has traveled before. You will always be a winner.
Our competencies lies in scanning the evolving markets and providing practical advices to the business challenges that touch the human side of solution. Some of our core areas of expertise are leadership transformation, performance enablement, organization excellence, and capability development, each proven to be a success in its own way. We solve complex problems of our clients, giving them solutions to work more productively.
Experience versus exposure. Well, that's an interesting one. While the world harps about experience and the number of years that you have put in your CV, we believe in exposure, and exposure to its peak. We give exposure to people, and more than age or any number of years, intellect is defined as your contribution made to the organization. Laureate is a paradise for learning and growth.
Today's business is operated in highly volatile environment. Further, businesses needs to manage growth opportunities and function efficiently in a complex and highly regulated environment. In this scenario, you need a perfect knowledge partner who can guide you in a voyage.
I think when I first approached Laureate, there was a very well-defined objective and I wouldn't say a business issue or a concern, but there definitely was an area of improvement that was very clearly identified. One is to get people connected, right? As people, irrespective of the roles and the grades, etc., and have that collaboration going within the team. Not that it didn't exist, but I think given the ask of the unit that we have this year, I think it has to be accelerated multifold. So we were looking at interventions that can help us get there faster, quicker, better.
Laureate believes that it isn't about the number of ideas that one has. It's about how many do you make it happen. We had ideas that we set out to execute. We boast of our partnering with the best of Fortune 500 organizations in diverse spheres of management services.
We have been associated with Laureate Global for almost a year and a half now, and the two major engagements that they did with us was a huge success because the kind of concept that they used was very different, and we've never done such an engagement earlier, and all of our employees really enjoyed themselves.
So it's been a great pleasure working with Laureate Global and partnering with them as a business partner in learning and development interventions. Talking about Laureate Global regarding one of our key challenges at work, that was regarding enhancement of performance behaviors at work that are part of our performance management process. Though it had been a key challenge for some time and all of us had been deliberating over it, and then Laureate comes to our rescue and they have designed the learning matrix, talking about their working style. The great eye to detail, attention to detail is the best thing that I like about
Laureate Global, that's what we deliver. Mission accomplished.
We operate from different parts of the world with a presence in USA, Malaysia, Dubai, Qatar, and Australia. What makes working at Laureate Global simply wonderful is its culture. A culture which is professional yet friendly, which is demanding yet nurturing, which is a lot of seriousness but with a lot of fun. There is an element of attachment that you feel once you are part of our fraternity.
I love being here, and I would any day want to be in a culture like this.
Hi, Laureate Global is all about speed, quality, creativity and passion.
Laureate Global is a home for creativity and innovation. It's a place to explore ideas and discover endless talents. To me, Laureate is about being myself.
It is rightly said, the road is not long if the company is good. And Laureate is one of the best company I've worked with. Laureate Global is all about working together, enjoying together and growing together.
Laureate, where I explore myself.
We know where we are going, we know the direction, we know our way, and we'll get there. We are very sure of it.
Laureate is a place where dreams come true, and that's what we call mission accomplished.